Welcome. Today we are diving into a specific topic in trigonometry, the boundary values. Specifically, we will look at the exact trigonometric ratios for 0 degrees and 90 degrees. These are often called limiting cases because they represent the extreme states of a right-angled triangle. Let's start by refreshing our memory on the standard right-angled triangle. For any acute angle theta, we define sine as opposite over hypotenuse, cosine as adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent as opposite over adjacent. But what happens to these physical sides when the angle theta becomes extremely small or extremely large? That is what we are about to see. Imagine we take the top corner of the triangle and drag it downwards, reducing the angle theta until it is almost flat. Watch what happens to the sides. The opposite side shrinks drastically, approaching 0 length. Meanwhile, the hypotenuse gets closer and closer to the adjacent side until they are effectively the same length. When the angle hits exactly 0 degrees, the triangle collapses into a flat line. Since the opposite side is 0, sine of 0 becomes 0 divided by the hypotenuse, which is simply 0. Since the adjacent side and hypotenuse are now equal, cosine of 0 becomes one number divided by itself, which equals 1. Now for tangent at 0 degrees, we can calculate this in two ways. Geometrically, it is the opposite side, which is 0, divided by the adjacent side, or we can simply divide sine by cosine. 0 divided by 1 gives us 0, so the tangent of 0 degrees is 0. Now let us go the other way. Imagine increasing the angle theta so it stands up very straight, approaching 90 degrees. As we do this, the base or adjacent side shrinks inwards. At the same time, the opposite side grows longer, eventually matching the length of the hypotenuse. At exactly 90 degrees, the triangle is basically a vertical line. The opposite side equals the hypotenuse, so sine of 90 is 1. The adjacent side has shrunk to 0, so cosine of 90 is 0 divided by the hypotenuse, which is 0. This brings us to an interesting case, tangent of 90 degrees. If we try to divide sine by cosine, we get 1 divided by 0. In mathematics, division by 0 is undefined. Therefore, the tangent of 90 degrees is undefined. If you look at a graph, the curve shoots up towards infinity. We can verify all of this using the unit circle, where the radius is 1. Any point on the circle has coordinates cosine theta, sine theta. At 0 degrees, we are at the point 1, 0. This matches our cosine of 1 and sine of 0. At 90 degrees, we are at the point 0, 1. This matches our cosine of 0 and sine of 1. Here is a summary of these boundary values. Remember these patterns. Sine goes from 0 to 1. Cosine goes from 1 to 0, and tangent goes from 0 to undefined. Understanding these limits will help you immensely when solving more complex trigonometry problems. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.